Okay, today we are going to do a roast. Now, this is something I really want to do, and I'm doing on the show called, I don't know, it's called Thomas. I don't know what this is. If you see my next reaction, I was so confused. So we need to bond this. We need to bond him and see if he actually sees what he seems. Let's do it! Oh, no. I can tell this is something that mess with his secret. I can tell. I can tell by the train whistle. Don't show us you're gonna be cool. We know you're not. We can see you. Looking on like puffy chill. No, you're not. Oh, hell no. Is that a train with a face? No. No. This is demonic. Oh, hell no. A whole railway? A whole train group of this? Sorry about that. Why are you so happy? You're looking like a Cheerio that I want to eat. But didn't you explode? Were you in my next reaction? You know? And you tried to make another comeback? We already know you! Look at that on the shed. No, saying that. But what type of engine would be staying there? Silly, look at that link! Look! It's right there! You don't know what I'm talking about? This link! Over here! What kind of train needed that big ass link? Anyway, let's continue. Easy! Oh no, you're not going to roll your eye on me, mister. Oh, I see what you're going at. Trying to make me all beautiful. We know! You like to be pretty! A face when the engine wants to talk to a girl, but too shy and too late. Why are you like this? Why do you look like a Bell cookie? Why do you look like that? Oh, you're looking all happy and cheerful. Why are you happy? To pull at coaches? That's normal for us. You don't need to get excited. Why are you looking like you're always happy? Again, how come you got that Bell cookie face? Like the other one. Okay. This is not good. Don't let your children watch this. Hey boy, I got to roast you. What engine are you? What engine. Why do you look like that? Again. Sorry about that. It's just my sister. She kind of hovering now. Anyway, yeah, let's get back to it. Pay like for my sister because she got a broken finger. Her finger. Like for her. Please. Why do you look like a toast? What a face! What a cuss you are! And what type of engine are you? I can't find you! Why are these so small? Let's go back and see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sheds. But the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 engine. Well, why the bulbs go? Have I ever seen things? Because this is only 7. Where's the 8? Still, I can't tell. Are you a tram engine? I don't know. Someone put me in the comment what this engine is. The brown box. Where is that? And tell me who this dark green engine is. I can't tell either. And so with the big green 3. And so with the big 2. What type of engine are you? You got a big wheel in the middle. What are you? What are you? Oh, here's my sister. Yeah, I gotta talk to her. Okay, I'm back. Not like for my sister. But I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh. I see 7 but where's the 8? I can't find it. Where are your coaches? Are you being lazy today? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 8 engines, but there are only 7 bulbs. Where's the 8? Hang on. What is that? What are you pulling? Those not walk. They're more like puffy marshmallows. Who is that crane? Tell me in the comments. We get it. You're all different color. Red, green, brown, blue. We get it. You don't have to keep repeating it. I'm not trusting these engines to get me around places. They're not usual. You don't see a train every day puffing in with a face. You don't. Oh, we posted that scene. Oh, how did it change tonight so quickly? Get roasted! Hi, I hope you enjoyed the video. What can we remember roast and what show you need to do? I will get to all of it. Anyway,